For more than 2 decades, managed services meant maintaining infrastructure, monitoring uptime, and responding to issues. But the definition is changing fast. Today's MSPs are no longer just service providers. They're data-driven partners using AI to predict, automate, and continuously improve operations. The traditional MSP model was built on reactive SLAs, fix issues, patch systems, and report after the fact. But as client environments became more complex, with cloud, IoT, and hybrid work, this model began to crack under its own weight. Data is the new foundation of IT. AI-powered MSPs integrate observability, cybersecurity analytics, and process automation into one intelligent layer, turning millions of data points into actionable decisions. Managed intelligence means an MSP that doesn't just manage systems, it manages outcomes. It predicts failures, detects threats, automates compliance, and translates IT performance into business insights. The data is clear. MSPs that deploy AI in operations and security see measurable improvements across every KPI. Faster recovery, fewer incidents, higher SLA compliance, and greater client satisfaction. Less firefighting, more foresight. In regulated industries, automation must still meet human oversight. Managed intelligence builds in compliance from the start, with audit logs, approval workflows, and continuous evidence generation. That's how AI enhances trust instead of risking it. For clients, managed intelligence delivers tangible business outcomes. Manufacturers cut downtime. Healthcare providers strengthen privacy and uptime. Law and accounting firms meet compliance faster. Real estate teams operate securely across hybrid networks. It's IT as a growth enabler, not a maintenance cost. The MSP industry is evolving, from service contracts to intelligence partnerships. AI isn't replacing people, it's amplifying expertise, reducing risk, and strengthening decision-making. This is the era of managed intelligence, and it's already here.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.